an instructional video for the Indesit washer dryer machine. The selection dial has numbers on it which correspond to these programs found on the left hand side, and you have a selection of temperatures and drying time on the right hand side. To turn on the machine, you just push the on button, it will light up, and then you can select which program you wish. So at the moment it's selected on number 1 because the upward arrow is at number 1. You can then change the temperature for this by just turning this knob. So if we set it to 60 degrees, and then you have the choice to change the spin cycle from 1200 to 600, and you have other options, intensive wash. Regarding the dryer, you have 2 selection controls for the dryer. It's number 11 and 12. So if you had some wet clothes and you'd hand wash them and you just wish them to dry, you would then turn this machine to 11, and then you would then select the drying time on here, say 40 minutes, 60, 100, up to 180 minutes, and then you would push the start button here and that would start the machine. There are also instructions that will be attached to this video, and you can see them here. And for your information, this is the wash cycle and what it corresponds to. Thank you. The drawer on the left hand side opens up. You have a compartment number 1 and number 2, and there's number 3. So number 1 is just for powder. Do not put liquid in here. If you had liquid washing detergent, you put it in the second one, and if you have comfort softener, it will be in the 3rd compartment.